So this is a winkhaus room cylinder. I've done a picking video on this before, but I missed something very important with it. This has a sidebar and trap pins, and I just never realized it. So I'm gonna go through, pick the lock, and then I'll show you the trap pins. So I'm going to use Covert Instruments pry bar and 32 thousandths in the top of the keyway. And I'm going to start out with Jimmy Long's medium reach. Maybe something on one. Give me this guy. So here's one. Click on two. Click on three. I'm gonna switch to a shorter hook. One. 5, 4, okay. I might not have one set high enough. There we go, there's one. So now I switch to shorter 2. Alright, so that was 4. 4 puts us into a deeper false set. Now I need to go 1, 2, 3. All right. So I'm getting counter rotation off of number 4. And there we go. Okay. So number 4 opened it. So now I'll show you. Get to about there, and it just stops. So the way I figured out how to get past these trap pins is just to take my multi-pick with a short flag. Do I have the right one? Yeah, I have the right one. Of course, right? Okay, so now we just take that back to the back and hit that trap pin. So then we're going to get hit right here again. So let me just take this guy. And then we go all the way around. But I didn't know that this had trap pins in it. I just thought that was interesting.